Hi, I'm Joanne Pollock. Welcome to my channel, Blissful Pickens. I'm enrolled in Jamie and Zebray's Creative Business Skills and Coaching course, and this is my creative collaboration video. Hope you enjoy. So, I was at Goodwill the other day, fortunate enough here in South Carolina. Ours were open, and I came across this chair, and I was really excited because when I looked at it, it reminded me of kindergarten. Granted, it was 52 years ago, but look at how cute this chair is, okay? And they obviously wanted me to know that it was $3.99 because they gave me 3 stickers. Matter of fact, 4. So, as I was looking at it, I always try to figure out while I'm there, what would I do with it? And I thought, all right, it does remind me of kindergarten. However, I have 5 grandchildren, and when Nana is cooking, they often like to scoot up next to me, and some of them are just not quite tall enough. And I thought, wouldn't this be cool? All white, and I'll make it look like, the seat look like a grain sack with a red stripe. And then I'm going to use one of Jamie Ray stencils, one of the mini ones, right on the seat. So it won't be overpowering, it will just be a cute little statement, and I'll put it in the corner. And when the kids are over and they want to help me cook or do dishes, yes, they like to do dishes too, they can scoop the little chair over. So first thing I want to do though is to clean it, because honestly, it does look like something that was in my kindergarten class, and I doubt it's been cleaned since then. So I do love Krug Cutter, but hence the reason I have these rubber gloves on. Oh my goodness, yeah, it's been a while. All right, so when I paint, I start on the bottom. You can use a smaller brush to begin with, and get the bottom done. It'll be drying. I'm gonna use DIY paint, and I'm using White Swan. Get the spindles done first. I'll show you as I do it. I'm sure this is probably gonna take 2 coats. And then I'm going to need to dry it in between. All right, we got the bottom pretty well done. You get the first coat on this, and I'll dry it in between. So I went and I primed where it was bleeding through with a spray primer. And I'm gonna get the seat going so that I can get that dried and then show you the design I'm gonna put on. And then I will complete the rest of it. So let's take our stencil first and turn this sideways so you can see what I'm doing. And kind of have a natural crease right here. I'm gonna put the stencil, make sure your stencil is right side up. Put the stencil in the middle. And the way I check it, I kind of just put both hands on either side. So that's where I want the stencil. And I like to have my stripes going up and down, but because the stencil isn't large, I'm going to have my stripes going across. So, there's a little indentation in the chair here. I'm going to put it right here and move the stencil. So I'm taking a piece of blue painter's tape, ripping it off, and then I'm going to take another piece and butt it right up against there. And that's going to make sure that I keep my line in between straight. And then the third piece. And don't worry, I won't waste the painter's tape, because watch what I do. I take my spacer, I just put it back on the blade. Alright. Now, let's make sure this is dented right in, because the seat has a little divot for the butts. Alright, and like I said, I'm using Annie-Slung Emperor Silk, bought this red color, and I'm going to use a stencil brush. I use the bigger one. All right, I'm going to take the paint off. Nice crisp line. And then we're going to dry this. We got this dry. All right, time to stencil, which is the most fun part. It's the funnest part. So I'm going to use the American Mill stencil, and like I said, you can get this JamieRayVintage.com. That's where I also get my DIY paint. So I am taping down my stencil. I don't want it to move, and there's a little bit of a divot, not big. But I just want to make sure that it's secure, and can't wait to show you how cute this is going to be. Get out my DIY little black dress. Good to me. Let's take a peek. All right, there you go. And if you enjoyed this time with me, I would like it if you give me a thumbs up, and I invite you to follow my channel, Blissful Pickens, and I'll see you next time. Bye.